our internet reported. We're flying. Not yet, we're still on the ground, but you know, next up Vegas. Come on. Oh, Manny, fuck.
That's still pretty.
Yeah, still pretty. Not bad.
For the first swing.
Little coin show action.
Look at the major. Great.
Yeah.
The back, baby. That's true.
That's funny. Oh no, I don't have
One more red balls?
Yeah, always.
I feel like we should try and fucking one of them
Walking around. Yeah, get the free ones. Yeah, we just dropped $120 on those.
That's true. That's
Come on, hit. Come on, bang. There we go. Come on, we need a few more. We need the big ones. That's why we need the big ones. All right, come on. We need like right here. Yeah. Oh, here we go. This is mega, dude. This will be a huge win. This will probably be like $300.
seriously?
No, it'll probably be like 2.
It's still fucking massive.
Yeah. All right, so then 10 cents an ounce. That's $15.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. Give me the mini. Bang. Yes! $100. There we go. All right, one more. I tell you, it's the fucking piggies. I love this machine. Come on. There's $150 in here. Come on. 200. Come on. There it is, baby. That's a $250 win.
That was less than 30 seconds.
Literally one spin.
You can't go wrong with this.
No, look at that. Coin show, baby. Look at that, 265 buckaroo. Look at that, $500 Tito. The essentials.
Because we go 50%.
Let's go, ready, dude.
And there's nothing here either, though. I'm like, oh, maybe the queens. Oh, and the jewels. Another $16. All right, we're climbing. We're climbing,
baby.
These can get fun. Come on, stop. Yeah, there we go. Come on, Violet. Full row. Oh, no. Not terrible, though.
No, but those fucking blockers, dude.
$30. All right. I'll take it. I'll take it.
It's cool to be kind of like those two in there.
No, no. Look at the paint job on this thing, dude. That's fucking clean, bro. This is
So
Still a fast span out there at 136.927 with 19 minutes to go in this first P1 session.
If you're watching the graphics on the video screen, that's the fastest time through that sector. There are 3 sectors of time.
Second offer. 45 credit. Third offer. 90 credit.
Fuck yeah, let's go, baby.
Boy, you're a winner.
Sure fucking am, baby. Woo-hoo. Alright, it's been a tough trip so far. We're at the Bellagio. Hoping to run into some Twitter friends, meet some new ones, make some friends, whatever the fuck it is. I don't know. I'm delirious right now, but we're down pretty bad this weekend. But did some pinball, no, top dollar for $1. Got back up from 50 to $1.75. We're gonna run it on my favorite machine in the world right now, piggy banks. Let's see if we get some. Here we go, climbing back up. That was fucking terrible.
So many stories have already unfolded this weekend, including a massive moment for the Williams team. For example, Franco Colapinto had a heavy crash. The car had to be totally rebuilt. He will start from the pit wall, while his 19 rivals will start from their assigned grid positions. Max Verstappen, you just had a look at him. What does he do? He could clinch his fourth World Drivers' Championship tonight. Joining only two other drivers, Sebastian Vettel and the
Everyone learned from last year. They all missed the corner last year. Everyone makes it through this time and hit an apex. For now.
I will say to myself, Norris needs to get out of 6 quickly, and if that's the case, and he's got past Gasly, we'll see now. Yes, he has. Gasly's not done with him. No. Tsunoda waiting to pass behind him. Good move from Tsunoda. Doesn't pull it off though. Almost 10 laps in, very clean so far.